Everybody don't know who that scandal bag that is already. Everybody for know who that scandal bag is already, you know. Sophie Dunley, shut up. Sophie Dunley, me don't know why nobody can tell you for shut up. Your truth don't start nowhere. You're just a laba juice out Tina Chin, so. You're just a laba juice out her, so. You're just a suck out our ringworm. Like nobody's business. After Tina Chin tell you, say, your mouth stink. Tina Chin tell you, say, no Sophie Dunley. Me see one day, where you're there on your live, and you chat off your mouth. Social media, nah look. Me say me over there, me I watch you. You would not read the comment where Tina Chin come up and tell you say your mouth stink. Well, let me tell the people them something in case if them don't know. Marian Walters get invited, Sophie Dunley, to your cousin event where you have a New York City and you left London, England and come over there and look just like how you blood clot look pan live, lady. Tina Chin play with you until you reach back to London and tell you say your mouth stink and you piss off with your cousin and I'll cuss your cousin too. You don't want to tell the people them that? Eh? Or you chat so much? Eh? You can't walk past a graveyard and beat nobody. A baby graveyard and beat nobody. Your business is out there. Granny rebuttal. I'm going to fuck you up for HTK. Because she never asked me. It's just what I know. Your breath stink. Tina Chin come back and you never read the comment. Sophie Dunley say your breath stink. You're in denial stinking breath all woman. Just because your womb curse. God give you a blight for have that baby boy and a pure mad spirit you have around him to the point where I'm smarter than you. This is not a joke. Sophie, all you call up Tina Chin name, your cuss her go and your cuss her come. And she tell you say your breath stink. She tell you say the only reason why she won't cuss you is because her cousin, where she know. Where you have. You don't have nothing to tell nobody. Me see somebody invite me on one page and I say stay quiet. Which them know me don't stay quiet. And I take a look. From your mother dead. Me and you supposed to have something in common out of everybody on the internet. Use a blood clot piece of shit. Sophie Dunley. And as by the time I come home tomorrow morning, I go tell the people them. Because them don't understand. Before the people them start know you and you come on everybody radar. You don't get book box and everything already in a throat. You did it and you clean out your mother tongue. And your mother mouth. And the breed of something them. Pan the dirty blood clot rag where you stick in her mouth. You don't notice, you know. Sophie Dunley, you piss me off in our next way. Me have a different set of problem with you. Because the people them overlook you and about support. Why not support Sophie Dunley for? Is a person who kill blood clot picnic. Why not go? If you want to study her real good. You know say I want low case of madness that. Not even I not do that. Sophie Dunley, you got Jamaica act like you do things for your mother and you know your mother did all go dead. You make trips go there just for sure, say. So you won't look bad. Jesus Christ, me up on my break. And if God no believe me, God alone himself believe me. Cause me watch you, girl. I'm gonna watch you cause you're somebody. Me turn your eye, me turn the little cock eye, the little cock eye where you have. When I have no ambition, we soon shut. Me shame you like a blood clot dog. Anybody was smarter than you, any young woman was smarter than you have a problem with. Why you have a problem with a teacher case still? I'm spitting at your eye in a truth feet. Oh, no grudge her, sir. You have grudgeful spirit towards her. It's not fair problem. She can walk past a baby cemetery. And she allowed over there with scandal bag in her house when she go shopping. You can't have none. Why you pretend and your family that do better than you? Them never need you at Jamaica. When you dip up in a people business, you know, you can't stand up for what Tina Chin done. All when she sell coke out her pussy and ruin people life. Now you have picnic in your yard. Where you stand up for, dirty woman? Now you come tell landlord, say, oh, this is all you wash. I never wash your front. In your bathtub. You talk about pretty Sophie on any side. Take off your blood clot wig, bitch. And look by your liver spot them. Nobody can tell if you shut up. Anybody will say you're mad and you're slow and your name slow foot blood clot donkey. It's because it's true. It's not funny. It's the truth. You come out and lie and say people write this and poor little me write that. Up to fucking now, you know, come out. Up to now, you know. You know, come out and say nothing, you know. You don't tell the truth. Sophie Dunley tell the people them say the way how you sound and look upon life. That's the way how you sound upon phone. Slow no blood clot. Tell them now. Tell them. You beg like blood clot, Tina. Tell them. Eh? You can't chat to people. Me say I hate it when you call people name what is successful and I do better than you. Because it tell. One day me dep on my life, Sophie, and them say the name where you go to London, you know. Say I know your name. Me I look for your video what me do. And the person pop up. You think you can hide from nobody with the truth? Dirty bungle girl. You come and bring Carlos in the video this morning. Why make you don't get Carlos your life and make him play him live them pan live and make people see it and you come down? And that you fi do. Cause anybody can buy a PlayStation 4 or 5. You know see you and you all in one. The only reason why you offended for Tina Chin cause you have your laundry room in your blood clot kitchen. And you take your body and sit down pan where you have a blood clot food. And I put your food when it come off of the stove, all nastiness. Them need to run you now. Me no find nothing funny where you do. Because you done out already. All me I go bumble clot do. All me I go do bitch. All me I go do self fuck. I just play the whole of the life them. That's why I don't say nothing to uno them days here. Them days here, me come off of uno because me come off of uno like a bad blood clot habit. Me watch people I don't know. But there is things them missing. So if you don't click, go find out which part of the dirt there where them put your mother. You should have been like me. Me take flight out and go do what me have to do. And all because you don't get no blood clot dead and left. You come out here and cuss your niece in Canada like a dog and cuss off your sister them. You's a dirty bungle bitch. When the people them attack to you, them not see a gap in between your stinking mouth will look like a field goal. Buy dirty bungle, stay out of the United States business and stay over there in the council blood clot house. Cause that's the only way you have money. Cause all of them something you just a laba juice, Tina Chin ringworm, so everything is Tina Chin. And she come wait until you go back to London and say your mouth stink no blood clot. Your mouth stink like kakayai one. Uno are the only two where people meet and come back on live. One time uno gone back on the rightful place. And then wait until you leave and say your mouth stink. That's not nice. What you talk for? When me look pan Carlos and look pan you this morning, me say then you a breed. You go breed and have a 9 or 10-year-old son. You not see your face. You're too fucking old. Give God thanks for the mistake them where you make. And him never either for make you have no more picnic. Where young like Carlos. Show the little boy some respect. You come and talk about, don't call Josh name out of your stinking mouth, bitch. Because one time your friend them Tina Chin and the whole of them I come down pan a 9-year-old. You sit down up there with a blood clot little boy with him quack guitar and you don't say nothing. So don't call him name, bitch. If you never call him name, I wouldn't do this live. You want somebody to pick up for Carlos. Me been a pick up for Carlos. Cause you there, Carlos, shh. So you can go back. When him want to play the game with you this morning, you well want him to leave. And go in our next room. So you can continue with foolishness. And that, Carlos will interrupt you, bitch. You don't have no time for him. Beggar. I'll start ask the people them. Everyone on the blood clot name will come up. I'm going to start ask the people them for $1. And every dollar go to anybody who is in need. Because it don't make no sense. And I might as well do it this way and then make the people them get a little something in the new year. Because you no shit. Enough people no like you no. Dollar out of them pocket now go do nothing. And I will match the dollar and give it to somebody. Whether them in a Haiti, Jamaica, Africa, it don't matter. If you are going to stand up for somebody, stand up for somebody who have substance. You try to understand madness with Tina Chin. Where do you want to lick out your front when you come over here from England to the United States? You never see her. More know if nobody never see you when you come from the United States. I mean when you come from London. The United Kingdom for come over blood clot America. On the door look good. Homer Simpson's sister never look good when she got England. And you never look good when you come over in America. And the two of your mouth stink no blood clot. Stop talking about people. Well, Leggy have to say no. Well, HTK have to say no. Because she says she intelligent. She fucking intelligent, yes? You don't see her old and insipid and wash out. Yo, dirty blood clot nastiness, yo. So if you don't clear them need to shut you up. If them don't know how to do it, me can give them direction and how to do it. You don't make no sense. Go talk about the people them will shame you and kick you from them camp. And them for dig out your eye. Every day you come out pan life. You now see the things them you abandon little Carlos. All the little boy I try play the game with you this earlier this morning. No, me don't want to play no game. You need to fucking learn. Learn from your son. Go read some and book them. Tell them why you stop showing the books. Tell them say you never either read none. All of my old videos them can't embarrass you in a 2025. Use nobody. Tell the people them say everything you do to everybody else. Tell them say me know about it. Tell them to take a look down my blood clot page while me there in a jail, bitch. You there not mind other people business. Mind your own fucking business. And when you talk to nobody, never there. So when you hear you pick me and come out and you pick me out in a social media because of you, Carlos need to tell you turn around and shut up, mom. Shut up. And that him need for do. Because you don't have no time for him. I'm a living witness. And I can't go in my grave with it. You tell the little boy, shh. Where you shame for? Oh, nobody now say nothing because of Carlos. Me been a say something because of Carlos. Bitch, him now go get it. Like my little brother innocent. His mother innocent. You're not blood clot innocent. All your womb not innocent. Scandal bag. Answer the question before you come back out here. Tell the people them, if you're looking at the baby them eye before you slingshot them back up to Jesus. The dead and left roof where you have, you still don't have no roof on it. You're just in at the people them council also. You help your mother where? You help your mother enough so you won't look shame. You know say she don't dead. You ignorant bitch. Me will speak on half of your mother and your son. And cuss out your nasty blood clot. You see how people them not watch you? Anyone who will have drunken spirit, me see you know. The people them don't have to sit down and waste a time and watch you know. Me tell them don't watch you, don't watch you. Go look which part of your page them there. In between your gaps so look like a field goal. Nobody no want to take nothing from you. You don't want half handicap, you want full handicap. You're just there and lick out blood clot Tina Chin. It's so insipid for ear. You don't know Tina Chin have you in a confusion with our worthless begging or scamming. But I want to tell the people them this. You see the fire before me go back in a work. You see the fire in a California. On the door come out here and make Tina Chin put up no GoFundMe for nothing. And but she feel sorry and she want help. I'm telling you no that. If you don't listen, I fool no problem that. A stagnant bitch will last her way and I have to pay back $208,000 in a cocaine. And I still want to be stupid to them people here. That's why she can't save no money. Well, I feel sorry for her about. See if she have any GoFundMe out there and close them down. Cause Kamala no get her money yet for her t-shirt. And Kamala never win. I be an idiot shit on the top about on social media. See real tea there. Me no want none Jamaican people for like me because internationally only look bad. Only just make them half handicap and full handicap bitches here when I know how to read. Some of them eye look like two left foot. All them come up and I look like Homer off the Simpson now. And at them they don't want to look on internet. On might as well go look on the people them where I tell them the truth. It not sound good, but it's good. Stop act like you better than people in a comment section. Cause them here, anybody where you see me talk about, them is no blood clot good. From old days to new days. Unless them change them ways. On enough to make people experience them something here. And I'm not even in the middle of the first of the year of the month yet. And look. No, sir. On if you know better than that. For all of this, I wouldn't quit my day job. Me? I wouldn't quit my day job or night job. You know mad? No, sir. So if you don't claim could I see if Tina Chin they have substance, integrity, pride, all of them look a decent something there. All you depend are rub up. Sophie Dunley, that's not your real skin complexion. You're the black. Look for your comeback blood clot boots from back in the day with the black dress on, the Aldo boots. Look for your skin complexion, it's not yours. So when you're ready now, dirty bungle, then you can talk to the people them. You know see how you come out and look. You're stiff no blood clot. Go with your one eye when I have no ambition. If that's the job where you get to fix up them casket dahlia, why make you not come do it? Put on makeup on them because them well need it. And I like say when you rub up, you don't look better than the whole of them where it's just like you. Me tell you that already. You carry yourself better than them. But nobody else. If you fuck with a teacher again, bitch, and call her any granny rebuttal or anything you want call her, me I go show you how it's done. And by a morning, me I go show the people them how embarrassing and lower than a curb Tina is for calling out a woman who have a husband. And if you feel Sophie Dunley say you go talk about a teacher and a Rasta husband, all of the crabbles where you're thinking of the man head are in your blood clot mouth it there. Sophie Dunley, you can't keep a man, Caucasian man, fuck you in London and leave you. There is no man figure around in your house. Beer, alcohol, old blood clot, rummed, alcoholic. I bet some take your hand for a teacher husband because he's not on the internet. Man, me no need nobody permission. Nor consent. Right is right and wrong is wrong. Crablouse. You kill baby. When them see you, them need to know it's not the British Nike sneakers. Use a blood clot baby killer. Look for all our people them will watch you. Look for P and they will look like a blood clot shoe billboard. Look past Sarah Manty with the casket there at the back of her blood clot profile picture where she need to get push over, you know. Look on the whole of them will look pa Uno. Look pa Uno who is destined to call people wrong. That is right. Uno not see Uno. I go and keep my day job and make sure I'm fully blood clot insured. I'm going to give Uno 45 in a 2025. Watch Sussy. Sophie Dunley leg no want you. Him look beneath you and sister use a fucking handicap already. Him for continue to make money pan you. The people them not forgive nothing. It's a group of uno that is just the same. Uno no know if you play basketball or no kind of sports but uno want build team. That's why uno have blood clot lose. Team is truth. Every day you get up. And the people them not study you. The least you could do is wash out your mother rag, the blue rag, man. Wash out the blue rag, man. Oh, look at your mouth, mama. Your mother suffer, dog. You couldn't in my family, you know. Sophie Dunley, you couldn't. The things that you do to your family, and then when your mother dead, you find excuse and say you nah got the woman funeral. So what make you go down there before? You want God for cover look Carlos. From the top about the quack guitar, and when you go shh, I ask the Lord for cover him. I be a mad spirit around the little boy. And if you no mind sharp, him drink out some of your alcohol them too. I cause him know better. God bless him. You is no damn good bitch. You can't talk about nobody. You go in a Cockburn pen and go around the people them house back and go let go the picnic them and don't looking at them eye and slingshot them back up to Jesus. Me have 3 picnic and a 3 picnic I have bitch. I'm more than 3. See the planet of the ape monkey there can tell out your blood clot business. She's supposed to know it. So me believe her once in her life on social media. Cause that's true. You're a baby killer. You don't have no substance, you don't have nothing. Cuss who you need for cuss. Dirty bungle. You leave your job and say people write letter. You know me not gonna write no letter. Every time when you tell a blood clot lie, you get caught up in a ping. Cause ping know better. I'm better than the whole of blood clot when I have no sense. When I have split between on the legs. I'm wear man clothes. Cause sit down bitch. Anything you hear the people must say about you, take it and name it. And go finish skyscrape. Tina Chin ringworm scab them and name them, bitch. Somebody need to tell you to shut the fuck up. Your mouth stink. Homer mouth stink. You know who is Homer Simpson? Go and go look for my page and look for Marcia. And look for Homer eye. And look for Marcia Marcia nipple. Look for the drawers we cut her off. And look for Homer face. See Homer there. Homer Simpson. And them people there. Make me sick. Every fucking time, dog. For the new year. You don't have no respect for the new year. Have a little bit of respect for the little youth. You don't believe so everybody are going to get up and talk. Me tell you say, any owner picnic here themselves online except for one business woman and my beautiful handsome little brother. The picnic them in our house need for turn on and give you some blood clot cussing cause God nah go sin them. It's honor. A cause you don't have picnic like me. What embarrassing you wouldn't get on social media, it don't stop here. The Lord love each and every one of you to light. Stop waste out them time. At that you know for start though. Stop wasting time. Cause them something you know cool and it negative. Cuss off Tina, man. Sophie Dunley, cuss off Tina. As she come in a fake name and comment and tell you say your mouth stink when she meet you. And she never do it in her name. As God as my witness while it cool outside. Cuss her. As she you for cuss. If you want to make a start on social media, tell the truth. You call people, you stalk people, you do all types of shit to get attention and you not tell the truth. Be careful before you two blood clot daughter them. Come out like Tina Chin. Cause if I'm me like your daughter them who don't want to be like head teacher K, not even you the mama herself. Oh, bitch. Don't call her name. It's my favorite head teacher. Because I not see the add up with you and Tina Chin call her name. Anybody who brighter than you know for putting them out on them. Go suck yourself. Defend. What you defend? You can defend the amount of people in America when I like blood clot Tina Chin, Sophie Dunley. Stop itch up in a people business, pussy old bitch. Baby killer. And move your stinking blood clot. Somebody need to stitch up your mouth. You chat too much. You're a big woman. You're 50-something year old. You don't have nothing but yourself. Prime example, if me tell you don't call head teacher K name, it's because she better than you, she smarter than you. When you was her age, she better than you. When she reach your age, she gonna be better than you. So what point do you make? You play up in a people blood clot here over England with your mad spirit. No, you lose your business earlier on in your days. Walk past a baby funeral and walk past a baby cemetery and beat the people them. And if not, then shut up. Everybody have a roof on them top in a Jamaica. You don't have none. And it come to you free. Stinking bitch. Now I'm going back to work.